Right. What's up, traders? Happy Wednesday. Shorter week this week. I'm going to start getting back into doing these daily reviews live at the end of every single trading day. I've got actually a family thing function later on, so doing this a little bit earlier. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I must say, I've been posting quite open about obviously always my wins and losses, but about me trading my instant accounts at the moment with a couple of companies. And one company that I'm really excited about, they're launching their instant accounts in August, is Hydra Funding. So obviously, you guys have always seen me posting about them as well. I've taken a couple of payouts. I think instant funding has been pretty solid. I'm going to get into it as we go along, but I want to speak about the market today. I did take some nice shorts actually on the DAX before the US market open over here. So I ended up taking some shorts. So these streams are literally just going to be pretty laid back, going over what I saw and what I traded, and just a daily recap, just a pretty laid back day. Recap of every single trading day that I do. It's good for accountability as well. So just keeping it real honest and always sharing the wins and losses of my trading. So I'll put out some green numbers across my instant funded accounts at the moment. I'm waiting for Hydra to release their instant funded accounts, and then we'll be good to scale up. I think I made a tweet about this the other day as well, about like you could be a profitable trader trading two-step accounts but still lose money. Let's look at, just for example, FTMO. Okay, you make 10% in phase one, and then you make 5% in phase two. You technically up 15%, and then you go ahead and you blow your funded account. Well, you're still up 5%, but you didn't take any payout. And that's why I think I've migrated to these instant accounts, and why I think a lot of traders are doing a lot better on the instant accounts. I've got some payouts that are due as well. So, that's just for me what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be trading with Hydra on those instant accounts. Okay, so as well, obviously, as Top One, which you guys have seen me post about too, CFDs and futures with Top One. So here's Hydra. You can come check them out in the link in my bio. I'll put them in my chat here too. But please, if you come join me for these daily recaps. I'm normally going to do them a little bit later on. I did mention I have a family function later on, but go check out the instant accounts with Hydra and Top One. And then let's get into my trade today, what I took on the DAX. I actually am still flat on my futures account today. I might just lock myself up because I'm not really seeing, I've missed the longs now. I'm not really seeing anything neat at the moment. So yeah, it's just a little bit of sit on my hands play at the moment. But let's look at my DAX trade here. So we had that ADP non-farm payroll, news coming out at 2:45, 2:30 or 2:15 South African time. Apologies. But we are trading underneath this blue line over here, which is the London Session View app. We also are trading underneath this 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. You can see I'm looking at the DAX on the 5-minute chart. And then also under the daily view app, which is a black view app. So all things aligned. We get the news come out, and I look to just take the short once we broke through for the new low of day. We've been consolidating from that open price as well. So that's why I did like the shorts on it. And I just kept it pretty simple. We're also trading underneath that daily pivot point as well, which was obviously a key area of interest for price. But that's just what I liked, what I stayed focused on, and that's how I made money on those accounts here today. So I'm gonna stay focused on instant accounts right now, as I said, with Top One and Hydra. You can go get your discounts over there. But these streams just going to keep it simple while I actually do my daily report card and just finish up my trading day. So we'll put in the DAX shorts. We'll actually get the markup. This is what I look like. This I do all my daily reviews on TradeZella. So I actually go like this, like that. We'll do just a nice daily recaps every single day of on stream with you guys. Not long, 10-15 minutes. That's it. The guys actually just messaged me from Hydra about what the rules are going to be looking like. They look pretty neat. Okay, so NFP pre-news release comes in. Break for a new low of day. I get short, right? I get short as we are under London session VWAP. And I think, as I said, while I'm going to be doing these streams, I think it's good value for you to see what trades I'm taking. It's good accountability for me. But also just come here. I'll come with your questions, anything that you want, and come rave. I just want to be doing these daily reviews while providing value and being open and honest about the accounts that I'm trading at the moment too, right? Get short under London session VWAP and London opening range low. I always use the London session VWAP for the DAX because obviously it's a European index, right? Okay, we'll put that in like that, and then we'll mark it up or download it, and then I'll save it to my PC, and then we'll also get it through to Trader like that, right? And then we can speak about my end of day review over there. But that was my trade so far today, and then we can actually remove those drawings like that, and we can get this back up. I know some guys are looking for shorts on the indexes, but I mean, we're trading above New York session open, opening range, and just continuously, moving to the high side. There's nothing that I would be looking to do in terms of that. It's either long or flat, sit on your hands at the moment. But yeah, that was my day. So nice DAX. And then, I'll probably lock myself out of that futures, that top one futures account, because I just, this is the nice thing about Project X. So South Africans actually can trade with top one futures. Hydra have futures as well. So let's again go to Hydra have futures as well. But I'm working with them also to maybe get Project X, you can see over here, which is very, very nice and a great platform. So this is Hydra, right, where you can come and use the code JB to get your discounts. They have a one-step FX assessment. So they got CFD props, crypto props for you crypto traders, as well as futures as well. So the only thing is they have Rhythmic. But yeah, we're going to get that instant funding as well on the CFD side of things. And then futures, maybe we're looking at getting Project X. So I work quite closely with the guys, Cam and DY and the guys there. I enjoy it. I've gotten payouts, no issues whatsoever on my side. So yeah. Perfect. Okay, cool. Any questions? Any guys got anything that they want to discuss? But yeah, as I said, I might just lock myself out of this account. I don't want to be doing anything dumb, so I'll just lock myself out because I just don't need to, right? I just don't need to be trying to force anything at the moment. My side. So lock myself out. Now you actually can't trade for the rest of the day. You can see I'm actually locked out. So it's up $200 on that instant account that I passed. So yeah, from my perspective at the moment, these orbs have been cooking with edge fill, right? Longs above opening range highs have been absolutely smoking it. So I think it was long or nothing today for the US market side of things. DAX is a little bit more tricky. We did obviously chop before that news came out, and that's when I looked to get short. But yeah, other than that, I think it was a pretty fun day in terms of execution and looking to just take it one day at a time. I think a lot of traders, particularly we have so much stuff online now. I mean, you guys are watching my streams and everything like that. Never compare or compete against anyone else but yourself, right? Always look to improve each and every single day. Some guys are content with making $1,000 extra a month. They're working a job and they're trying to make money trading. Some guys want to do 10 grand a month plus. Find what works for you. Find your build a good base, and then look to scale from there. If you're not gonna make 10 grand a month or 100 grand a month, whatever your goal is, if you can't even make $100 a month. So find your base. Create consistency, and then you just need more accounts to trade, and you can make it happen. So again, go check out Hydra funding. I'm gonna be looking to trade their instant accounts when they come out in August. JB gets you good deals. We'll see you for tomorrow's daily review. I appreciate you guys as always. And stay tuned for more of these daily reviews at the end of every single day. I think they provide great value. I want to, get more guys on here asking questions, and we'll go from there. You saw my day, my trades. I appreciate it. We'll see you guys all on tomorrow. Cheers, guys.